How you can get a loan from UBA Mobile App. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, open your UBA Mobile App on your phone. Now once it loads, go ahead and log in using your password or biometrics. Then look for the Loans section in the app. Once you find it, tap on Loans to open it. After that, you'll see options like Click Credit or Personal Loan. So choose the one you want to apply for. Now the app will ask you to check if you are eligible. It may ask about your salary info or time with the bank. Once it shows you are eligible, tap on Apply or Get Loan. Then you can type in how much you want. So enter your loan amount and select the repayment plan that works for you. After you choose your plan, tap Submit or Confirm. The app will then process your request. Once the app finishes, it will tell you if your loan is approved. And your money will go straight to your UBA account. And that's it. That's how you can get a loan from UBA Mobile App.